Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to rename files or folders in Windows. Chapter 1. Rename files or folders Windows from File Explorer. To start, open File Explorer. Here, select the file or folder. After that, click on Rename. You can modify it. Now another option is to press the file for 2 seconds, then click to modify its name. Alternatively, you can right-click on the file or folder. After that, click on Rename. Assign the desired name. Finally, select the file. Press the key F2 to be able to change the name of the file or folder. Chapter 2. Rename files or folders Windows from CMD. To start, open File Explorer. Here in the address bar, enter CMD, press Enter. In the console, run the command ren file space new name, press Enter. You can check the change. Chapter 3. Rename files or folders Windows from PowerShell. To get started, open File Explorer. After that, in the address bar, enter PowerShell, press Enter. In the console, run the command rename -item quotes file quotes space quotes new name quotes. Press Enter. Now review the change. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 4. Rename files or folders Windows from PowerToys. To start, right-click on the file or folder, then click on Power Rename. Now in the upper field, enter the current name, then in replace with, enter the new name, then click on Apply. Finally, check the change. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.